Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable price alerts on booking.com account. So first we're going to go to the booking.com app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on the profile section on the top right corner. Then here we're going to scroll downwards until we find communication preferences. Then you're going to click on it. Then it's going to take us to push notifications. You're going to click on it as well. Then once we scroll downwards, under the section of trip-related push notifications, the price alerts is turned on. So we're going to turn it off. So any price changes won't be sent to your account. We are unsubscribed from it now. We also have a video on how to enable it as well, so you guys can check it out. As I told you, you guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store, such as for Booking app. So make sure you download it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.